I'm on. Okay. You're on too. Alright, it's medic. We came in late. Let's do this. Dude, I came in with like barely any. Well, I don't have extra. I have a couple extra. Oh, oh, 93R mags? I'll probably bum a few. But they're not loaded, you said. Yeah. Please call it! Oh my gosh, they're not calling it. Dude! Yeah, but I shot him like 3 times. None of them are calling it. Get the medic. Or drag me at least. Do you drag me? I guess that's a no. Medic! Yeah? Damn man, don't talk. Who's medic?
I'm gonna drag you.
Okay, I'm not, don't drag me, Lydia.
Hey, he's right there,
Who?
Medic,
Who's gonna drag me? Who's not?
Get him!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's like holding hands.
Okay. Okay. If they want to call it, yeah. Come through the window. Got it. No lights, no lights. Clear. There's nobody there. I'm switching the burst. I don't have enough ammo.
Hey, dead man, don't talk!
Shoot him.
He's coming!
He's right here, I see him. Sure. I'm gonna shoot his hand, I'm gonna shoot his hand. Okay, he's watching that area. Watch there. I'm gonna wait until he comes.
Should I flank around?
Yeah. Is that okay?
That's more than 10 feet, bud.
Hey, hey.
Oh, sorry.
Bang bang! Bang bang!
He's
Okay.
surrendered you.
I said the guy behind him too. But people don't
Why
like,
is he not dead?
they don't like to call their hits.
Hey! Yo,
Leave it.
hit with the cross draw.
Leave it, they're cheaters. Oh my. What is he saying? He's like speaking gibberish.
It's their code name for their medic, I guess, Dr. Phil.
Yeah, I heard it. Go get the medic. Run. Looks like there's a clear opening to get away.
Well, let's fight the craziness going on down the hallway. Chug!
Okay, so we got Arctic. Wait, the cheaters.
You're all dead. Why don't you call your hit? Were you the medic?
No.
Well, you guys are shooting at me.
Whatever.
Let's kill this one too, don't we?
Yeah.
Medic's dead! Yeah, my semi's falling on my neck.
I don't know where to go.
Same.
Well, we're kind of dead, but you can drag us. I one time was dragged across the entire field.
Hey, medic!
Can I pick you up and just
Dang
carry
it!
you along?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
I'm dead too.
Yeah, just come up and this is my drag.
Chain drag.
Chain. We're all dead.
If I let go, then we can stop.
Okay.
Why are my goggles fogging up? This is really weird. They never do this.
I4 is all the way. This feels totally not weird.
Damn!
So many thunder bees.
Yeah, I know. That's
Let's
number
move,
2.
guys.
Alright, come on.
This is completely not weird.
Where's the medic?
Bands or no bands in here?
Why didn't you drag us?
Bands or no bands? Are you medic? Medic is freaking dead.
So I guess
Well, we killed their medic. So, what do we do?
I think we should just walk around and get some third-person action.
Hey, Train, our medic's dead. You guys can watch me.
Okay. Let's do that. Take out your mag and then kind of like wave your hands like all the terrorists do. No shoot!
There's the wild dingus in his natural habitat.
I guess so. And I'm recording 2 of them.
Yeah.
This is a rare find.
Go kill the entire enemy team. Cornelia.
Oh, this is intense. This is intense.
Okay, firefight.
Reloading!
Keep reloading. Hey. We're filming. Ignore us.
Oh, no.
The other
I
kid
hate
gets
you!
away.
I hate you!
And he hits the guy when he doesn't sit down. Oh, now he's down.
Crikey. This is a rare, not really rare anymore, but
The wild dingus doesn't know what to do. But it doesn't matter because it's game over.